Alright, call this Operation Sentria saves the day. After my Kirby Generation 3 bag blew apart, I have this over the garbage bag over the garbage can so I can show you. The whole bottom side of the bag just let go. So, we're going to talk about the tech drive and the tow touch control real quick. And there is no changing the headlight on this. This is all one LED mechanism. In order to really change the mechanism on this, I think these two screws right here and here will take that out. Anyway, enough about that. The belt indicator indicates how well your brush roll spins. If it is not solid and it is flickering, then you need to check the belt. And also check the brush roll bearings. Now the belt lifter. This also allows your vacuum to become a straight suction cleaner. In order to convert it to a straight suction cleaner while in the upright mode, you'll need to turn the belt lifter to the right or counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. Therefore, now your brush roll is disengaged. Then to re-engage and you can actually vacuum small throw rugs in the straight suction mode. And whenever you're done with the straight suction mode, you will then need to, of course, this is the handle you use to turn on your Sentria. You'll need to get the handle out, use this, turn the brush roll belt lifter back to the left or clockwise until the green arrows line up as indicated there. So now the brush roll will be engaged. The Tech Drive Power Assist allows the vacuum to move freely across the carpet. Please note, when vacuuming hard floors, never run your Kirby in drive. The Tech Drive Power Assist on the Sentria is colored. D, in the orange D, marked for drive. And the gray N, marked for neutral. Now, I'm vacuuming a throw rug here. It's a pretty good sized carpet. So I will run it in drive. So let's go ahead and turn the machine on. Okay, now tow touch. Lower it one notch at a time. See, now it's sealed to the carpet. Tech drive on. Alright, y'all. Drop a like, comment down below. Subscribe for more videos. I'll see y'all in the next video.